boys and girls, we are going to do our math paper together today. Let's go ahead and write our name at the top of our paper. I'm going to write Angie because that's my name, also besides Mrs. Stewart. So we're going to be reviewing our numbers this week, and how to write our numbers and count them. So our first number is going to be 1. So watch me first and then do it on your paper. So we start here where the dot is and we go down. So we start on the top line and go all the way to the bottom line. So now I want you to try from the top line to the bottom line. 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 Good. Now I want to find all of the number ones. Now I want you to take your pencil and circle all of the number ones that you find. So this is not a number 1, so we're going to put an X through it. This is not a number 1, but this one is, so we're going to circle that one. This is not a number 1, but this is, so we're going to circle it. Not a number 1. Yep, so we'll circle it. And another one, we circle it. No number 1. Yes, number 1. Nope. And nope. Okay. Now the next part, we're going to draw 1 dot in the 10 frame. So when we see 1 on a 10 frame, it looks like this. There's just 1 dot. So you go ahead and draw 1 dot in the 10 frame. And then on the next one, we're going to circle 1 pencil. So we circle the 1 pencil. And on our last part, we're going to write the numbers that come before and after. So if I have number 1 here, what number, this is a little tricky, what number comes before number 1? 0. And what number is going to come after? It's 2. Good. And then we're going to spell the name for number 1. O-N-E. Very good job, boys and girls. Okay, so we have done the other half. One side, we're going to do the other side when you turn it over. So you don't have to put your name on this side because you already did it on the other side. But we're going to trace the number 2. So to make a 2, we go like this. Around the track and back, choo-choo. That's the way to make a 2. So I start just a little under the line, go up and touch the top line, down and back. So we're going to go nice and slow because we want to do these 2s just right. Now let's practice 3 more. And we go up and around and back. Up and around and back. Let's do 1 more. Around the track and back, choo-choo. That's the way we make a 2. Now, on the next part, we're going to find, and we're just going to circle the 2s, and we're going to draw an X through those that aren't a 2. So look at the first one. Is that a 2? Yep. Circle the 2. We draw an X. That's not a 2. Yes, that's a 2. That's not a 2. That's not a 2. Yep, that's a 2. That's not a 2. That's not a 2. Yep, that's a 2. That's not a 2. Yep, That's a 2. Now we're going to draw 2 dots on the 10 frame. 1, 2. Because that's how we show 2 on a 10 frame. Okay. Now we're going to circle 2 pencils. 1, 2. Now what number comes before 2? We have 1. And what number comes after 2? 3. And that's the number we're going to do tomorrow. Now, last thing, we're going to spell the number 2. T, W, O. And now you finished your math paper. So, you're going to put it where your teacher has asked you to, and then do what she wants you to do next.